In today's digital world, hacking isn't just a buzzword. It's the act of gaining unauthorized access to computers, smartphones, tablets, or networks, often to disrupt systems, steal data, or corrupt information. There are different kinds of hackers. Black hats are cybercriminals who exploit vulnerabilities for financial gain or chaos. White hats are ethical hackers, hired to probe systems and highlight security weaknesses. Then there are gray hats who often fall somewhere in the middle, sometimes breaking in to raise awareness without necessarily seeking profit. Hackers often target smart devices like phones, routers, and webcams. These can be infiltrated using techniques like remote access Trojans or phishing emails that trick users into revealing sensitive data. But users can fight back. Keep software up to date. Use strong and unique passwords. Enable two-factor authentication. And always verify HTTPS connections. For added security, use antivirus software, VPNs, and password managers to safeguard your data. Hacking may be pervasive, but with awareness and the right protections, you can stay a step ahead.